Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we will discuss the bones of the superior extremity in very short with a 3D video. So let's start our session. So as you all know that this is the anatomical position of the superior extremity. So basically superior extremity consists of the shoulder girdle, then the humerus, the humerus, the radius, the ulna, some carpal bones, some metacarpal bones, and the phalanges. Okay, then let's see what is known as the what is shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle involves the scapula and the clavicle. So let's see it very clearly. So this bone is known as the scapula, and this bone over here it is known as the clavicle. Then clavicle and the scapula combine to form the shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle also involves the ligaments, some ligaments. So as this video is just for the understanding of the bones, so we will not discuss the ligaments here, but we will discuss the ligaments in our later videos inshallah. So let's move towards the other bone. So this bone over here you can see it is the humerus bone. Humerus and the scapula, these two bones combine to form the shoulder joint. Okay, now let's move towards the other bones. Okay, so this bone just adjacent, these two bones just adjacent to the humerus. So on the lateral side, as this is the lateral side, so on the lateral side this bone is known as the radius, and on the medial side this bone is known as the ulna. Okay, so these two bones are the radius and ulna. Okay, now let's move towards other bones. So these small bones you can see, this bone, this bone, this bone, all these bones are known as the carpal bones. Okay, so basically there are 8 carpal bones, 4 in the proximal direction and 4 in the distal direction. What is proximal? Proximal is something which lies nearer to the some point, and distal is something which lies a little bit far away from that point. Okay, so let's see what are the proximal bones and what are the distal bones. I am giving you a mnemonic to learn these small carpal bones. So you can see here the mnemonic is she looks too pretty, try to catch her. Okay, so first of all let's see what this stands for. So she looks too pretty. Okay, then in she the S stands for the scaphoid, then looks, in looks L stands for the lunate, then in 2 T stands for the triquetral, and in P like pretty, P stands for the pisiform. Then same goes in the distal direction, that is the try to catch her. In try T stands for the trapezium, then in 2 T stands for the trapezoid, then in catch C stands for the capitate, and in like her H stands for the hamate. Okay, so these are the carpal bones. Then adjacent to the carpal bones there are some metacarpal bones, like there are basically 5 metacarpal bones. So adjacent to the carpal bones there are 5 metacarpal bones. Okay, then adjacent to the metacarpal bones there are the phalanges. These are the metacarpal bones. So adjacent to the metacarpal bones there are phalanges. This is the phalanges, this is the phalanges, this is the phalanges. Okay, so every finger, like the index finger, then the middle finger, then the ring finger and the small finger, all these fingers, 4 fingers consist of 3 phalanges. Okay, but the thumb consists of only 2 phalanges. So this thing you have to remember, that the thumb only consists of the 2 phalanges. Okay, so today we will end our session over here. To get more videos like this, please do follow our page and join our group. And thank you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do consider subscribing, as it will motivate us to make more videos like this.